Hi guys, it's Noah from NoahTube HD, and we're going to be making the Lion Chi Temple. So, I already got the bags out, so you don't need to see them. There's 8 bags, big one, but there's 2 bag 6s, but there's there's bag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, but there's 2 bag 6s. And I got the instruction booklets out. So I'll show you them. Book 1, book 2, and book 3. So I'm gonna be building. Well, actually, I'm gonna be doing magic. I'm just gonna do magic. So watch. I'm just gonna put my hand over here, build it. Now watch, guys. I built it. So how did I build that whole thing so fast? Oh, you can't see it that much. But how did I build this whole thing so fast? I know. Now I'm gonna show you the extra pieces. So let's go on. Wait, first I'm gonna show you the box. Now the back of the box shows you all the features. It says that you can play a achievement game online. So let's move this box into place and show you. So first, let's start off with the minifigures. So first we have the Val. I'm not going to be showing you all of the parts of the minifigures. Civil armor, double fist that everybody does. Then there's I just got to see on the box. Oh wait, I know his name now. Here's Krager, Longtooth, Crawley, Ewald, McVevis, Golden Armor. He's my favorite guy, so I'm going to be showing you his double head. He has angry face, mean old angry face. Then plain old normal face. Isn't he epic? The last, but definitely not least, Razor. A pretty cool figure. Oh! So I'm going to be showing you the extra pieces as all this. So these are all of the extra pieces. Get all of these. You get this big black long one. You get some fire. Those are the extras. Now onto the vehicles. You get a lot of extra pieces. So first, we have actually 2 of these. You can keep looking if you want, because it just gotta set these vehicles back in. Yahoo! Now watch magic. The crocodile vehicle. See, look, this can open, close, open, close, open, close. There's all this. This looks bad with this set. I might replace it, I might not. Yeah, I'm not. No one will notice. Still looks bad. Still looks bad with the set. The last, but definitely not least. How's this flying? The Eagle vehicle. These yellow things are its hands. Here's the front. It's a pretty cool vehicle, actually. So now onto the set. I'll be really happy to do the set right now because what a cool feature. So watch. Dad, do you mind holding the camera for a sec? I'm just over here because I'm asking my dad, Paul something. His name is Paul. So all I asked him is to hold the camera, and I'm gonna tell him where to hold it. Wait, so they can see this and this. Okay, can they see the footage and this?
Yes.
So a really cool feature is they can do this.
Whoa.
And they can do the, whoops, my bad. I just have to fix it. Easy. Keep holding. Let's see, that one's good, that one's good. It can do crap. It can, guys, this is being cuckoo, so just gotta fix it. Yeah, anyway, that can tilt back and forth.